Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am standing somewhere truly special. We have just stepped off of our cruise ship and onto the vibrant, bustling shores of Vietnam. This is not just a port stop, it is our ticket to a full day adventure, and you are going to hear from me all about such moment of our cruise excursion. Today is all about diving headfirst into the culture, the flowers, and unforgettable sights. We have got a jam-packed itinerary from exploring ancient towns and floating market to tasting street food that will absolutely blow your mind. So whether you are planning your own cruise excursion or just dreaming of one, this video is your ultimate guide. I will show you what's worth it, what skip, and all the hidden gems in between. Get ready for chaos, beauty, and the whole lot of fun. Let us go explore Vietnam. We are entering into jet day as our appointment time of our booking at the ferry just 15 minutes of the walk. All the ferries with the different offers are at the jetty. A large number of ferries of different sizes, irrespective of each ferry boat, sea passenger boat, packet boat, are at the park waiting for their passengers. The boat stand is less a formal station and more a chaotic living organism of motion and sound. It's a sprawling concrete or wooden jetty worn smooth by millions of footsteps, slick in the patches from river spray and monsoon dampness. The air is thick, a potent cocktail of diesel fumes from the chuckling ferries, the pungent organic smell of the river, and the occasional savor hint of food from nearby vendors. The stage is all set. A large ferry painted in faded blues and whites is tied to massive dark black wooden planks. The gangplank is down a narrow bouncing bridge, worn planks connecting the solid world of the land to the floating world of the boat. Crew members in simple, often stained uniforms lean against the railing, watching the human tide with practiced, wary indifference. The human tide begin to move. The boarding is not an orderly queue. It is calculated fluid surge. It begins with collective lean forward the moment the chain a rope barrier is dropped. The crowd morphs from a waiting mass into a single, multi-limbed entity pushing toward the narrow mouth of the gangplank. The ferry gives you a chance to disconnect from the world and reconnect with yourself, your family, and with your other people. Once you are on the board, there is a time and space to really breathe, to forget about the day to day world you live in, at least for a few hours. When you travel by ferry, the trip itself becomes a part of your vacation, an integral element in the overall experience. Unlike flying, sailing is not just a mean of getting to your destination. It is something more. It is more natural experience. Being on the water is somehow more humane than being in the air. Standing on the back of the ferry, the sharp wind whipped my hair and chilled me to the bone. I didn't stay on the deck long but wanted to enjoy the crisp air and gorgeous sunshine for a few minutes.